Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to install this app. This app cannot be installed because its integrity could not be verified. So guys, if you are trying to install some apps in your iPhone but you are facing this problem and you are unable to install the app, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that simply watch this video till the end. So I'll first of all go back to your home screen, and from here you have to open settings in your device, and from here scroll it below and tap on general, and from here tap on software update, and make sure that you are using the updated version of software in this device. So guys, after this go back, and from here you have to tap on iPhone storage, and you have to check whether your iPhone storage is full or not. So if your iPhone storage is full, then you have to delete some apps in your iPhone, and after this go back again, and from here scroll it below and tap on language and region. So as after this tap on region and make sure that you are using the correct country or region in your device. So as after this go back again, and from here you have to scroll it below and tap on VPN and device management, and make sure that there is no connected VPN in this device. So as if there is any connected VPN, then disconnect it, and after this check if the problem has been fixed or not. So as if you're still facing this problem, then you have to go back to your home screen, and from here you have to simply open any browser in your device, and from here you have to search for sport.apple.com. Here it is, and after this search for support.apple.com and wait here for some seconds, and after this you have to select your device whichever you are using, and after this scroll it below all the way, and from here you have to tap on get support from here. So guys, from here you can get any kind of support from the Apple authorities regarding this problem. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours, and they will provide you help and information regarding this problem. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.